This is the dumbest shit I've ever seen Tony do. And it's only because he's selling fucking RCA cables. Both of these are the same. 2 wires, 2 wires. That's it. Now, as far as inputs of the amp go, that's something different. Okay? But RCAs, these 2 RCAs are the same. Okay? There's no difference. 2 wires, 2 wires. That's it. 2 conductors. Okay? And there's also no difference between cheap RCAs and expensive RCAs. There's no difference. Okay? I love the testing they did with Monster Cable and MIT cable producer and lamp cord. Guess what? Lamp cord was just fine. Okay? Lamp cord, in fact, is pure copper. And in fact, some of the old Rockford cables that I used to get were just 18 gauge lamp cord twisted together. And sometimes they didn't even twist it. It doesn't really matter. A lot of this noise rejection stuff that he's talking about is only valid at about 100 meters. Is your car 100 meters long? No, then it doesn't fucking matter. That's it.